What's up, you guys? I'm bringing to you today a video showing how I achieve these curls, but mainly I wanted to feature these two new products from the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil line, and that's the Rehydration Hot Oil Treatment and the Rehydration Treatment Mask. So throughout this video, you're going to see how I used and how to use the rehydration treatment and also how to use the rehydration mask. So these are two new products that I'm freaking loving, and the hot oil treatment probably would be my most fave. So make sure you stay tuned and see how I achieve this nice flowy natural hair, and we're gonna get into the video. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look and I'm loving it, but this whole line is freaking bomb. As you guys can see, my hair looks so healthy, so hydrated. Close up on the hair, it looks very hydrated. It's very soft, and definitely by doing the hot oil treatment before I did everything, it made my hair 10 times much more manageable than if I would have just did maybe a mask or something like that. But with the hot oil treatment, and then also I followed up with their shampoo in this line, and then after the shampoo after the shampoo I put the mask on, and after the mask I put the leave-in on, and then the styling gel. I know it sounds like a lot of steps, but trust me, it's really not. And so if you guys like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.